Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the voice on ChatGPT. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in chatgpt.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official ChatGPT website. Now, if you haven't logged into your account already, you can click on the login button at the top right corner and then proceed forward with your credentials. After logging in, if you wish to change the language that is used while reading your responses within ChatGPT, then just click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on its settings. Within the settings section, you will find the speech tab. Go ahead and click on it, and now you can find the various different characters or the voice samples that you can use. Click on the drop-down menu and you will now find all of the different voices that you can use. After clicking on your preferred voice, click on the play button to hear a preview, and once you are satisfied with your desired voice, you can go back into your ChatGPT response, and when you click on the read aloud button, this new voice will now be used to read the responses. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the voice that is used for reading responses on ChatGPT. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.